Hey guys, welcome back, and welcome if you are new. My name is Sam and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making a delicious summertime treat. We are going to be making a lemon icebox pie. Now I love all things lemon, especially this pie. So I've got everything set out here ready to go. We're going to get it started and we're going to go over the ingredients, pop this in the fridge, let it sit, and we will have us some delicious dessert for after dinner. So let me get you set up and we'll get started. Okay guys, so this dessert is so easy to put together, but it is absolutely delicious. It just screams summertime. It's bright and fresh and creamy. It's just so good. So here's everything that you're going to need. I've got some sweetened condensed milk. I've got some ground graham cracker crumbs, a block of cream cheese, some vanilla, cream, some lemon juice, sugar, melted butter, and some lemon zest. So let me get you set up and we'll get this started. Okay guys, so I've got my graham crackers here and my melted butter. We're just going to add all of that right in. A little bit has set up. I've had it sitting out for a few minutes, so that's fine. It'll mix in together. So I've got that in there. I'm going to add my sugar. And we're just going to mix this together until it's all nice and combined. And then we will add it into our pan. Okay, so that is nice and combined. And I've made a mess, as usual. So I've got my little pie pan here, and isn't that just the cutest little pie plate? It's by the Pioneer Woman. I think she has some of the cutest stuff. So we're just going to add this right in here, and we're just going to press this in. Now I've just got like a little measuring cup, and I'm just going to go in and kind of spread this out and press it to the pan as even as I can get it. Okay, so I've got that pressed in as good as I'm going to get it. I'm going to pop this in the fridge so that butter can kind of set up just a little bit, and it will help it hold its shape a little bit better. So I'm going to pop this in the fridge, and I'll meet you back here and we will start on the cream cheese portion. Okay guys, so for the filling, you're going to need your block of cream cheese. Make sure it is at room temperature so it blends very easily. So we're just going to plop that down into the bowl, and we are going to blend this until it's creamy. Okay, that is nice and creamy. We can go ahead and add in our sweetened condensed milk right in to the cream cheese. Alright, now that we've got that in there, we're going to blend this until it's combined and smooth. Okay, so I've got that done, and we can go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients. You're going to need just a little bit of vanilla, about a teaspoon or so, and your lemon juice, and some lemon zest. Now I'm going to save just a little bit to go on the top, so that way people know there's lemon in the pie. Now we're just going to blend this until it's smooth. Okay, so that is nice and combined. We're going to set this aside, and then we are going to whip up our cream so that way we can fold it into this mixture. Okay guys, so I've got my cream here. I'm just going to add it to this bowl, and we're going to whip this up until it gets to stiff peaks. Okay, so my whipped cream is done. So I'm going to add just a little bit of this to my mixture here, and we're just going to carefully fold this in and mix it well. Okay, so that is nice and mixed together. I am going to go and get my pie crust, and I'll see you in just a second, and we will put it into the pie crust. Okay guys, so my pie crust has set. It's not completely set. It'll set up more when the center sets up, but that is good to go. And all we're going to do now is just put our filling into our pie crust. Okay guys, so this is done and it's ready to go in the fridge and set. So I'm just going to pop it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours and let it set up, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And as usual, you can find the link to this recipe down in the description box below. You can also find it in the comment section, so it's very easy for you to find it. So yeah, we're going to go enjoy some dinner and some dessert, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.